Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to use Hindi on Google NotebookLM. So as you guys see, I'm already on the main page and I will click a chat that I will like, and it's really simple. There are two ways. I will show you the simpler one, so just click translate to Hindi, and right now you can start using Hindi. If you type in a Hindi keyboard, you should automatically reply in Hindi. But there is a second way, and the second way is that you need to go to your Google account, click on manage your Google account, click personal info, scroll down to the bottom, and as you see there's the language, so just switch to Hindi, click Hindi, click save, restart your app, and it should automatically work. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.